In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Godaddy website. To get started, log into your Godaddy account and go to the My Products page. This is where you can access the services connected to your account, including your website tools. Once you are on that page, scroll down until you find the Websites Plus Marketing section. Next to the website you want to update, click Manage. This will take you into the controls for that specific site. From there, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. This is the area where you can make changes to your site's content, design, and connected tools. Wait for the editor to fully load so you can see all the settings clearly. When the editor is open, look over to the right-hand panel and click Settings. Inside the Settings area, you will see a list of options for different website features and integrations. From that list, select Facebook Pixel. This section is where Godaddy allows you to connect your site with Meta's tracking tool so you can monitor visitor activity and improve your advertising insights. Now, take your Facebook Pixel ID and paste it into the designated text field. Make sure you paste only the Pixel ID into the box, with no extra spaces before or after it. This helps avoid connection issues and ensures the tracking code is recognized properly by the platform. After entering the Pixel ID, click Done or Save, depending on what appears in your version of the editor. This confirms the setting inside the website editor, but there is still one important final action left. To make the Facebook Pixel active on your live website, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing pushes the update from the editor to the live version of your site, which is what allows the tracking to begin working. Once the site is published, your Facebook Pixel should be added to your Godaddy website. If you want to be extra careful, you can give the site a moment to update and then review your setup from the website editor to make sure the Pixel ID was saved correctly. That covers everything you need to know.